Okay, so now we'll see the solution for example number 19 on page 169. Selling price of a toy car is rupees 540. If the profit made by the shopkeeper is 20%, what is the cost price of this toy? So the shopkeeper has made profit. So the cost price is going to be lesser than the selling price. Lesser than how much? 20%. What is the question saying? That the we need to find out the cost price and the selling price is 540. What is the percentage that the shopkeeper has made? Profit 20%. 20% of the cost price. So the profit is equal to 20% of the cost price. And the selling price when we make a profit is equal to cost price plus profit. Selling price is 540. Cost price is unknown plus 20% of the cost price is profit. So let's consider cost price is unknown. So we'll consider it as CP. We have all read algebraic equation where there are unknown quantities and we find out the value of that unknown quantity in an equation. So cost price plus 20% is what? 20 divided by 100 into cost price. We take cost price common. We take out. What remains inside? Cost price is outside. So here it will remain 1 because 1 into cost price is what? Cost price. In the bracket and outside the cost price is we have written unknown quantity. Plus if we cut it, what comes is 1 by 5 into cost price. Again, cost price we have taken in common. So what is left? 1 by 5. It comes to 6 by 5 of the cost price. So 540 is the selling price equal to 6 by 5 of the cost price. This 6 by 5 comes to the left hand side. 540 into when 6 by 5 from the right hand side goes to the left hand side, it becomes 5 by 6. Just ulta kar dete hain. The denominator will come to the numerator and the numerator will go to the denominator equal to the cost price. If you calculate, it comes to cost price is equal to rupees 450. Now we have these 4 questions. Try this. A shopkeeper bought a chair for rupees 375 and sold it for rupees 400. Find the gain percentage. I have done the solution for you. Cost price for the chair is rupees 375. Selling price is 400. So there is an increase. The shopkeeper has made profit. 400 minus 375 is rupees 25. So rupees 25 is the difference out of what is the original amount? 375. You need to find out a percentage. In 200, it comes to 6 and 2 by 3% or 6.6 per 66%. The next question is cost of an item is rupees 50. It was sold with a profit of rupees 12. Find the selling price. Cost of an item is rupees 50. Profit is 12%. We need to find out the selling price. So since the profit is 12%, it is 12% of the cost price. We need to find out the selling price. So cost price plus profit. The same way how we have calculated in the example, it comes to rupees 56. So 12% of rupees 50 comes to what? 56. Is that clear? There is another way how you can solve this. I'll tell you. %12 of the cost price. Here the cost of the item is rupees 50. So 12% of rupees 50. That is 12 divided by 100 into 50. If you calculate this, how much will it come? It will come to rupees 6. So 12% of rupees 50 comes to rupees 6. So 12% is the profit made by the shopkeeper. So rupees 6 is the profit made by the shopkeeper. If the cost price is 50, then the selling price is cost price plus profit, right? So cost price is 50 plus profit is rupees 6, which comes to rupees 56. See, there are two methods I have shown you. This is method 1 and this is method 2. Right? Now question number 3 and question number 4, I have solved it. Please go through the solution, and if you find any difficulty, please let me know while we are doing Google Meet. Fine? And you need to write these solutions in your maths notebook. Thank you, students.